welcome back to Vanland. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. There is so much going on at the shop this week. It is absolutely crazy, so we thought it would be really fun to show you guys a little behind the scenes and give you a day in the life here at Vanland. It has been absolutely crazy. We have been getting orders out to our clients. We've also been finishing some really huge builds. We have the green van that is finally getting done this week, and this is a long-awaited project to reach completion. We are giving it to the clients this week, and we are also filming a full van tour of it. And this is going to be one of the most epic van builds, so make sure you are subscribed and have the bell notification hit so that you will be notified when that video goes live, because trust me, you will not want to miss it. In addition to that, we have been getting loads of packages from our manufacturers of merchandise for our store. We have brand new vans that are coming in for complete build outs that we will be following the entire process. So again, make sure you're subscribed because we just have so much going on. It's honestly a party here, so join the party. Anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys into the shop with me, and we're gonna go see Jeremy, and he's going to give us a little tour of all the current projects that we have going on. So let's go.
Hey, my name's DJ. Today we are installing a light fixture here that's going to go over the bed. So I've been dialing that in. And also today I've been putting our final coats of paint on these boxes and making sure everything's nice and tight and right. This van's going out tomorrow, so we're just kind of dialing it in and making sure everything's painted nice and fitting good. So that's what I've been up to today.
How's it going, Katie?
Hello, Sam.
Today I am currently working on this customer's van. It is a DIY van, so he's done a lot of the work himself and he brought it into us so that we could check a couple things and install some things he didn't feel capable of doing. He himself set up his whole water system. I just wired it all up for him. We installed a water heater under the vehicle. Be sure to subscribe because next week's video is all going to be about water heaters.
Awesome, thank you, Sam.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Finish up day. Well, today or tomorrow, we got to get this thing out of here. It's all hands on deck, basically. It's, yeah, it's a lot of work. The finish up stuff always takes way longer than you're gonna think, but we have a deadline and we got to get this to the customer. So please come and help. We need more hands. Basically, everything is done in here except we're getting the bed platform in and the mattress, which just showed up today. I can't wait to give you guys a tour on this van. There's so many cool things in it. It basically has everything that you could want in a camper van. So stay tuned. It's probably gonna be a couple weeks, but then you guys will get to see everything we put into here. Okay, the next one we're gonna finish, this is gonna be really cool. It's called the Beach House, and this is a Sarah and Alex design. If you guys know them from, I guess, the van design world. Our client really liked one of their designs, so he brought it to us, and we're gonna do the build here. So stay tuned for this van, which is going to be the Beach House. It doesn't look like a beach house just yet, but it will someday. It's so dark in here right now, but when this thing's finished, it's gonna be so bright, just like the green van. That's one of the things we like, is to bring a ton of light through windows and skylights, and then just bright colors on the inside, because otherwise the vans are pretty dark. After that one's done, then the next one is an adventure wagon kit with some more prefabricated parts in it. This one is gonna be super cool. Again, doesn't look like much yet because it's not done, but stay tuned. In a couple months, you guys will be able to see this go from beginning to end and a full van tour when it's done. So Thanks for sticking with us, guys. We're super busy this week, and we've got a longer video coming out for you soon on water heaters. That's going to be awesome. But for this week, that's all we got. We're busy. See you later.